Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, class 10, exercise 1.3, problem number 2. In the previous video, we have seen second bit in 5 problems. In this session, we are going to discuss second bit, 6th problem, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th problem. Click this I button to learn introduction to the real numbers and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 1.3, second problem. Without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or a non-terminating repeating decimal form. First one is 13 by 3125. Second one 11 by 12. Third one 64 by 455. Fourth one 15 by 1600. Fifth one 29 by 343. Sixth one 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. Seventh one 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5. Eighth one 9 by 15. Ninth one 36 by 100. Tenth one 77 by 210. So without performing the long division method, we can find for these problems we need to find it is terminating or non-terminating. So how we have to say that it is terminating or non-terminating? It is total depending on denominator. So the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n means it is terminating. Otherwise it is non-terminating and repeating decimal. So let us start our solution. In the previous video we have seen second bit in 5 problems. In this session we are going to discuss second bit, 6th problem, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th problem. So 6th problem, 6th one it is 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. 2 cube into 5 square. 6th one it is. The denominator equal, here what is given? 2 cube into 5 square. The prime factors of 2 cube into 5 square equals same as it is, only we are getting 2 cube into 5 square only. So it is in the form of, or it is not in the form of? It is of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. So 2 power 3 and 5 power 2. 2 power n, 5 power n. 2 power n, 5 power n, 2 power 3, 5 power 2. So it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power m. So therefore 23 by 2 cube into 5 square is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Now this 6th one it is completed. Now 7th one. What is 7th one? Seventh one is 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5. So what is the denominator here? 2 power 2 into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5. So what is the prime factors of 2 power 2 into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5 equal, we are getting same prime factors only we can get. So 2 power 2 into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5. Directly also we can write this step, no need. So it is in the form of, it is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. So it is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n means it is non-terminating and repeating decimal. So 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5 is non-terminating repeating decimal. Repeating decimal. So when we are getting the terminating, the denominator of the form 2 power n into 5 power n means it is terminating, otherwise it is non-terminating. Now 7th one also completed. 8th one, that is 9 by 15. Before going to our solution, dear students, if you are watching first time of my video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Now our solution it is the denominator. What is the denominator here? 15 is the denominator. The prime factors of 15 equal. So 3 5s are 15 means 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 means it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. So it is not of the form. It is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. So it is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n means 9 by 15 is non-terminating repeating decimal. Repeating decimal. So it is non-terminating and repeating. Next, 9th and 10th it is there. More two solutions only. So the 9th one it is 36 by 100. 36 by 100. What is numerator here? Numerator is 36. Very good. And denominator is 100. So 100. The prime factors of 100 equal. 100 one I have to take 2 table time taking. 2 50s are, 2 25s are, 5 5s are. Means 2 square into 5 square we can write. So it is of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. So 2 power 2 means 2 power n, 5 power 2 means 5 power n. So it is of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. Therefore 36 by 100 is terminating decimal. So it is the terminating decimal. So last one, it is terminating or non-terminating. Without directly also we can say. So it is the multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 means it is non-terminating and repeating decimals. So 10th one, 77 by 210. So here denominator is 210. The prime factors of 210 equal 2 table time taking, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are. Now 3 table 2, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are. Again 5 table 2, 5 7s are. Means 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So here we got it. 4 factors we got, that is 2 3 5 7. 2 3 5 7. So it is not of the form or it is of the form. It is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. So here we got it, here 3 and 7 extra we got it. So 2 into 5 means it is terminating, but here we got 2, 3, 5, 7 we got it. So it is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. Therefore 77 by 210 is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. So do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. So what is terminating? So we need to check the denominators. Denominators of the form 2 power n into 5 power m means it is terminating. Otherwise it is not the terminating and repeating decimals. So some more prime numbers like 3, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 we are getting in the denominators in the prime factors. So it is non-terminating and repeating decimals. So only we are getting the denominator, the prime factors 2 power n into 5 power m means it is terminating, otherwise it is non-terminating. We have seen without performing the actual division, the given rational numbers are terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. In the next video, we will see same type of problem, that is the given numbers are terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.